Have you ever looked at your bank transaction history and felt like you needed a detective's badge and a magnifying glass just to understand where your money was actually going? We've all been there. A long list of obscure merchant names, generic descriptions, and amounts that leave you scratching your head, wondering if that random online purchase was for those new shoes you desperately needed or that late-night pizza you probably shouldn't have ordered. It's frustrating, isn't it? In an age where technology is supposed to simplify our lives, managing personal and business finances can still feel like navigating a labyrinth. You want to know not just what you spent, but why and where. You want insights, clarity, and control. And that's exactly where features like categories and tags in a banking platform, specifically with Roger, come to the rescue. Think about it. Imagine a world where every single transaction, from your morning coffee to your monthly rent, is neatly organized, instantly telling you not just the amount, but also whether it's an essential expense, a discretionary splurge, or a business-related cost. Imagine being able to pull up a report at the end of the month that precisely details how much you spent on groceries, transportation, or client lunches, without manually sifting through statements. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's the power that categories and tags bring to your Roger bank transaction history. For too long, traditional bank statements have offered a flat, undifferentiated view of your financial life. They tell you the raw data, the bare-bones facts. But they lack the crucial context. They don't help you understand your spending habits, identify areas for savings, or prepare for tax season with ease. This lack of clear insight can lead to financial anxiety, missed opportunities for better budgeting, and a general feeling of being out of sync with your money. But with Roger, that narrative changes. Roger isn't just about showing you what happened, it's about helping you understand the story behind your transactions. And the key players in this financial storytelling are categories and tags. They transform raw data into actionable intelligence, turning a jumbled mess into a beautifully organized ledger. So, what exactly are categories and tags in the context of Roger bank transaction history, and why are they so incredibly important for anyone looking to gain true mastery over their finances? Let's dive deep into this often overlooked yet incredibly powerful aspect of modern banking and expense management. We're going to break down what they are, how they work, the profound benefits they offer, and how you can leverage them to revolutionize the way you manage your money, whether it's for personal budgeting, managing a household, or streamlining business expenses. First, let's establish a clear understanding of what we mean by categories. In Roger, categories are essentially broad classifications for your transactions. Think of them as the main buckets into which your spending and income flow. They provide a high-level overview of where your money is going or coming from. For example, common categories you'd find might include income. This is where all your earnings go, salary, freelance payments, investment dividends, etc. Housing, rent or mortgage payments, property taxes, home insurance. Utilities, electricity, water, gas, internet, and perhaps even streaming services. Groceries, all your food purchases from supermarkets. Dining out, restaurant meals, takeaways, coffee shop visits. Transportation, fuel, public transport fares, car maintenance, ride-sharing services. Healthcare, doctor's visits, prescriptions, insurance premiums. Entertainment, movies, concerts, subscriptions, hobbies. Shopping, clothing, electronics, general merchandise. Travel, flights, hotels, vacation expenses. Education, tuition fees, course materials. Debt payments, loan repayments, credit card payments. Savings/investments, transfers to savings accounts, investment purchases. Business expenses, for those using Roger for Business, this could include office supplies, software subscriptions, marketing costs, client entertainment, and so on. So, why are categories and tags so crucial for effective financial management with Roger? Let's explore the multifaceted benefits they offer. 1. Unparalleled clarity and insight. This is perhaps the most immediate and impactful benefit. No more guessing where your money went. With categorized and tagged transactions, you get an instant, crystal clear picture of your spending patterns. You can see at a glance how much you spent on coffee last month versus your gym membership, or how much your marketing efforts cost compared to your administrative overhead. This insight is the foundation for informed financial decisions. 2. Empowered budgeting and spending control. Once you understand your spending, you can effectively budget. Categories allow you to set spending limits for different areas of your life or business. If you see you're consistently overspending on dining out, you can adjust your habits. Tags provide even finer control, allowing you to identify specific types of spending that might need reining in, like cutting back on #impulse buys. 3. Simplified financial reporting. Whether it's for personal budgeting reviews, preparing for tax season, or generating financial statements for your business, categories and tags make reporting a breeze. Instead of manually tallying expenses from countless receipts or disparate bank statements, Roger can generate comprehensive reports based on your assigned categories and tags. Imagine pulling up a report that instantly shows all your business expenses tagged with #client entertainment for the last quarter, a task that would be incredibly arduous without these features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.